So our school's a very small school. I hear a lot of principals in my career saying, oh, I've got a small school, we've only got 300 students. Well, we've got 12. It's a school that I believe has a feel that it's loved and it's family, and I think that people can walk into the school and just see that we are who we are and we do our best for our kids. Today's the celebration of the canteen. We've got families here with the kids playing lots of games, eating, just enjoying the day really as a community. Being small and regional and remote, sometimes it's a tough gig. It can feel very isolating, and especially in really small schools or regional schools, sometimes you just feel like there's just too much. But having Monique to just say, oh, what about this? Or we could look at this, or whatever it is, has been so invaluable to me. I've spoken about doing this with the canteen for about 6 years, seriously, and she's got me doing it within a term. And it hasn't been a big deal. It really hasn't.
The idea of the canteen is to fundraise for their school camp. So they sat down and worked out a menu and have worked out the best way to have fresh, healthy, delicious food on the menu that they can prepare themselves.
All of our students decided on a name. It was Camp Kitchen, because we're raising money for camp and we're doing it in a kitchen.
So we operate through this kitchen out into the outdoor area, and we pass the things through the window, and we have 3 seniors operating at once.
Yeah, today we were going to make soup, sausage rolls and wraps, but we figured it would be a bit too hot for soup. We also have fruit salad with yogurt.
For me, it's just having someone who's got knowledge, who can say, this is something you can do, so I don't end up thinking it's all too much.